Hi everyone, welcome back, it's MC. For this video, we're going to look at Yang and some related characters. Yang is a very interesting character in Chinese culture. Now, why is that? Because a lot of characters with great meanings, lucky meanings, all have a Yang inside of them. So we're going to deep into stories behind it to see why. Let's get started. So first thing first, let's look into character Yang itself. This is the 甲骨文 form. So we can see the goat horns, there's a nose, and also the beard. So it's very obvious and straightforward. It's a pictogram. And a 山羊 means goat. 绵羊 means sheep. So after knowing this character, let's look into why it represents such good meanings in Chinese cultures. The first reason, because goat meat, 炼, it's very delicious, very precious in Asian Chinese. Let's look at the character 鲜, 鲜, fresh, very delicious. So you can see there's a fish on the left, 鱼, and there's a yang on the right. So people pick the yang as part of it rather than other animals. You can tell that goat, lamb are very precious, very delicious and popular. In ancient times, goats and cows are sacrifices to gods and ancestors. People will put heads of cows and goats to ancestors. So 牛 and yang are more important to people. It leads us to a question then why people choose yang rather than 牛 as a best representation of animal. Here it goes into goat itself. When the baby goat drink milk from its mother, they will go down on their knees. And people think that gesture just shows the gratitude of the baby goat when they get something from their mother, which is explained as 孝. So 孝 as a very important part of Chinese culture. It means so much to Chinese. We talk about it all the time, from elders to kids. It's really the top priority of an individual. So you can see if the goat has 孝 as a gratitude, then it is very kind, very thankful, very good. Let's look at some characters. Character 善, 善, it means kind. So we can see there is a yang inside of it. We always say, 我觉得这个人很善良. 我觉得这个人很善良. When people looking for partners, they will always say, 我想找一个善良的人. 我想找一个善良的人. And the character 祥, 祥, it means auspicious, lucky. For example, 吉祥, 吉祥如意. During Spring Festival, we always say to people, 祝您吉祥如意, 祝您吉祥如意. And the character 美, 美, I think we all know this character, it means beautiful. So there is a yang on the top and a da on the bottom. So when a goat is bigger, it's more beautiful because it has more values. The last one, character 羡, 羡, to admire. We can also see a yang inside of it. We can always hear people saying, 哎呀，我好羡慕你啊，我好羡慕你啊，你身材太好了吧，我真羡慕。So from these related characters, we can tell yang plays a very important part in Chinese culture as well as in Chinese characters. So the next time if you see a character with yang inside, you don't know the meaning, you probably get something good. However, there's a note I want to share. In Chinese Zodiac, yang is not people's favorite. It's been said that people who's born in goat year have to work harder than others and their lives better than others, especially for female. So in general, people are trying to avoid the goat year to deliver a baby. I mean, this theory has been a little controversial because some people say there's a misunderstanding during the spreading in the history. The goat year is actually a very good year. As the reason we mentioned previously, goat itself represents really good meanings. And also the goat year is the 8th year of the Chinese zodiac. We all know how much Chinese love 8. So it can't be a bad year. But anyway, these are just people's theories. By the end, it doesn't matter to one's life at all. It's just interesting to know. So if you find out this video is interesting, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Delivering content which you like, enjoying, and can get value from it is my top priority. Let me know by giving it a thumbs up or comment below so I can keep doing this kind of content for you guys. And subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content from me. And these Chinese characters lessons are also very interesting. You will definitely find some stories and cultures behind characters which you don't know before. Check them out. I will see you next time. Bye!